Today was a lazy morning. You may ask why, Sreyo? Well, see it for yourselves. These meowists reminded me of how not peaceful my life is. Like seriously, I even tried tapping on the glass, but that didn't affect their sleep. So I lost all hopes from life, and to recover from that I decided to be lazy myself. So, for a lazy morning, I made some lazy breakfast. My ma tells it's a Spanish omelette. Well, maybe. Who cares? As long as it's tasty. As long as it's tasty. Also, it's very healthy for you fitness freaks. Anyway, for this recipe, you need some veggies. So, cut it in circles. I have with me some onions, tomatoes, capsicums, and one boiled potato. When you are done with chopping, add some butter in the pan. You can also replace it with vegetable oil, and don't get alarmed with the browning of the butter. Brown butter gives out a nutty flavor which I find tasty, but you are very much welcome to replace it with any vegetable oil at any time. Now in the pan add some chopped garlics and chillies to make the butter fragrant, and stack all of the veggies one on top of the other. For today's recipe, I'll be using 2 eggs, so cracking both of them here. Now you can beat the eggs along with some milk. Milk makes the eggs soft and fluffy, but you can also skip this part. It's not mandatory. Season the eggs well. Here I've used salt and some oregano, and like here I realized that I might have done too much with the oregano, but there was no way out, so more seasoning doesn't harm, right? Now add the egg mixture on top of the stacked vegetables. I also like some baby spinach in my omelette, and thankfully I have them in my arm's reach. Perks of having a kitchen garden, huh? I'll go wash them and come. Cover the lid and now let it steam. when it's done, flip the omelette to the plate and serve it hot. This right here is so wholesome that it keeps me filled for almost 3 to 4 hours. Try this at home and let me know. Comment down below with what recipes you want me to make next. And before that, if you like my videos and want more such amazing recipes, subscribe to my channel fast. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.